Good morning students, Saira. Today we are going to start with EVS 2. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter. Now I am going to ask you a few questions based on your previous chapter and I know you all are able to answer me. Now your first question is, which fort made history? Now in previous chapter, which fort made history? Yes. Very good. And the answer is Pratapgarh made history. Your next question. On whose death was Bijapur still mourning? On whose death was Bijapur still mourning? Yes, very good. Bijapur was still mourning the death of Afzal Khan. Your next question. Last one. How Pavankin became immortal in history? How Pavankin became immortal in history? Now, Godkind became Pavankind. The name changed into Pavankind. Godkind became Pavankind in history because of brave patriots like Baji Prabhu, who laid down his life for the sake of Swaraj. Okay? Yes. So, today we are going to learn the secret of how Godkind became immortal in history as Pavankind. In chapter number 10, Baji Prabhu and the memorable battle of Godkind. And we are going to, now this is part 1, okay? And we are going to start this part with new words. And your first word is mourning. Mourning. M-O-U-R-N-I-N-G. Mourning. Mourning means to feel intense sorrow or sadness. Fit of rage. Fit of rage. F-I-T fit, O-F off, R-A-G-E rage. Fit of rage means to display a very bad temper. Avenge. Avenge. A-V-E-N-G-E. Avenge means to take revenge. Accompanied. Accompanied. A-C-C-O-M-P-A-N-I-E-D. Accompanied means companion. Ruthless. Ruthless. R-U-T-H-L-E-S-S. Ruthless means cruel. Disciplinarian. Disciplinarian. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-I-N-A-R-I-A-N. Disciplinarian means strict for discipline. Approaching. Approaching. A-P-P-R-O-A-C-H-I-N-G. Approaching means to get near something or someone. Siege. Siege. S-I-E-G-E. Siege. S-I-E-G-E. Siege. Siege means it's a military operation in which enemy forces surround a town or a building. Confined. 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 Now confined means restricted. Tightened. Tightened. Tighteneed. Tightened means to make more secure. Deceive. 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 Deceive means to mislead. Ruse. 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 Ruse means tactic. Surrender. 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 Surrender means to give up. Indulged. 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 Indulged means lose oneself in. Rout. 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 Rout means to retreat. A disorderly retreat of defeated troops. Now children, this is the content outline of this part. Shivaji conquers Panhala. Adil Shah gets angry and the siege of Panhalgarh. Now children, in the last lesson, we learned that how Shivaji killed the most powerful Sardar of the Bijapur court. And the story of Afzal Khan came to an end on the footstep of Pratapgarh. And the whole army was destroyed. Shivaji was using his tactics, and due to this, Adil Shah was very angry. Now Bijapur lost one of the powerful Sardar, Afzal Khan. So they were still mourning his death. They were feeling sad. Now when Adil Shah was very sad, at the same time, Shivaji captured the Panhala fort from the Bijapur garrison. Now this made Adil Shah very angry. And he could not sleep or nor eat. So what did he do? He sent another Sardar, Siddhi Johar, against Shivaji. Now when Siddhi Johar was going to fight Shivaji, Fazal Khan, that is Afzal Khan's son, also accompanied Siddhi Johar because he wanted to avenge his father's death. He wanted to take revenge. Siddhi Johar was very brave man. He laid siege to Panhalgarh, and because of this, what happened? Siddhi Johar surrounded the fort. Now because Shivaji was within the fort and because of the siege, no supplies could go inside the fort, and very soon the rainy season would begin. So Shivaji thought once the rain began, Siddhi Johar would lift the siege. So what happened? Now Siddhi Johar did not do anything like that. He did not relax the siege. Instead, he tightened it. He made it very strict. So the supplies in the fort were running out. That means after few days, the food grains stocked in the fort will finish. It was getting over. Shivaji was in a fix. That what should I do? So he decided to deceive Siddhi Johar. Means he decided a clever plan as usual. So he sent a message to Siddhi Johar saying that I will shortly surrender the fort. And so, listening to this, Siddhi Johar and his troops were very, very happy. And they were already tired because from so many days they were guarding the fort. So when Shivaji said that he is going to surrender the fort, they were relaxed. They started eating, drinking and listening to music. Now children, we will learn in detail. Shivaji conquers Panhala, Adil Shah gets angry. Now children, while Bijapur was still mourning the death of Afzal Khan and the complete rout of his army, at the same time Shivaji captured the Panhala fort from the Bijapur garrison. Now Adil Shah was very sad at the same time what Shivaji did. Shivaji captured Panhala fort from the Bijapur garrison. So Adil Shah was very angry. He could neither eat, he could neither sleep. So what did he do? He dispatched another Sardar, Siddhi Johar, against Shivaji. He sent another person to kill Shivaji, to fight with Shivaji, and he was Siddhi Johar. Now Siddhi Johar had a huge army with him, like Afzal Khan. Now Fazal Khan, who wanted to avenge his father's death. Fazal Khan was son of Afzal Khan. He wanted to take revenge of his father's death. So he accompanied Siddhi Johar. The siege of Panhalgarh. Now Siddhi Johar was brave but ruthless. He was very cruel. He was a strict disciplinarian. He was very strict and disciplined. So he laid a siege to Panhalgarh and confined Shivaji within the fort. So Shivaji was inside the fort and Siddhi Johar laid siege to Panhalgarh. The rainy season was fast approaching. Shivaji thought that Siddhi Johar will lift the siege once it started raining. Now Siddhi Johar will lift the siege once the rain starts. But Siddhi Johar did nothing of the kind. So what did he do? On the contrary, with the arrival of the monsoon, he further tightened the siege. Means there were more guards to keep the watch. Now supplies in the fort were running out. Shivaji was in a fix what to do. Since he could not force Siddhi Johar to lift the siege by an open battle. Now he was not able to fight with Shivaji. Why? Because Shivaji's army was very small compared to the army of Siddhi Johar. So he was not able to fight, fight an open battle. So what did he do? Yes. So he decided to deceive Siddhi Johar by a clever ruse, a clever idea. Now he sent message to Siddhi Johar to the effect that he would shortly surrender the fort. He said that I am going to give you your fort back. So Siddhi was very happy. Siddhi's troops were already tired of the long siege. They were very pleased to hear that Shivaji agreed to surrender the fort. So they were very happy to hear that Shivaji is going to give us the fort back, and so they relaxed the siege. They relaxed the watch and they were busy in food, drink and music. So they were doing party. Now children, we will take a quick recap of this part. Bijapur was mourning the death of Afzal Khan and the complete rout of his army. At that time, Shivaji captured the Panhala fort from the Bijapur garrison. The angry Adil Shah sent another Sardar, Siddhi Johar, against Shivaji. Fazal Khan accompanied him as he wanted to avenge his father's death. Siddhi Johar, a strict disciplinarian, was brave and ruthless. He laid siege to Panhalgarh and confined Shivaji within the fort. Shivaji thought that Siddhi Johar will lift the siege once it started raining. On the contrary, he further tightened the siege. Shivaji decided to deceive Siddhi Johar and told him he would shortly surrender the fort. Siddhi's troops were happy and they relaxed the watch. Children, we will start with our assessment. Fill in the blanks by choosing correct option. Shivaji captured Dash Fort from the Bijapur garrison. And the options are Muramdev, Pratapgarh, Panhala. And the correct option is Panhala. Shivaji captured Panhala Fort from the Bijapur garrison. Second one. Adil Shah dispatched Dash against Shivaji. And the options are Siddhi Masood, Siddhi Johar, Fazal Khan. And the correct option is Siddhi Johar. Adil Shah dispatched Siddhi Johar against Shivaji. Third one. Dash accompanied Siddhi Johar to avenge his father's death. Options are Adil Shah, Afzal Khan, Fazal Khan. And the correct option is Fazal Khan. Fazal Khan accompanied Siddhi Johar to avenge his father's death. Fourth one. Siddhi Johar was brave but dash. And the options are ruthless, lazy, kind. And the correct option is ruthless. Siddhi Johar was brave but ruthless. Fifth one. Shivaji sent a message to Dash that he would shortly surrender the fort. And the options are Siddhi Johar, Siddhi Masood, Fazal Khan. And the correct option is Siddhi Johar. Shivaji sent a message to Siddhi Johar that he would shortly surrender the fort. Sixth one. Siddhi Johar laid a siege to Dash. And the options are Panhalgarh, Raigad, Pratapgarh. And the correct option is Panhalgarh. Siddhi Johar laid a siege to Panhalgarh. Seventh one. Afzal Khan was the father of Dash. And the options are Siddhi Johar, Shivaji, Fazal Khan. And the correct option is Fazal Khan. Afzal Khan was the father of Fazal Khan. Thank you.